skeletons have taken over my Cricut craft room. It's time to make a spooky Halloween craft with a little twist for pink Halloween vibes. At the Dollar Tree, I picked up this cute little coffin sign, and I wanted to add some type of pink Halloween friendly vibes to it because I do have young kids and I thought this would be more of our type of decor for Halloween. I went ahead and measured it out, and using inkjet vinyl sticker paper, my favorite from Koala Paper, I went ahead and just printed this out. Now I did get these cut files from Creative Fabrica, so I will leave all of the links down below if you wanted to use the exact same cut files as me. I just created a slight offset so that it would be easier to cut out around it on this vinyl sticker paper. Let me know in the comments, do y'all decorate for Halloween or fall? I'm typically more of a fall kind of gal, but my kids really wanted to decorate for Halloween this year, so I thought, you know what, I'll whip out my Cricut and make some cute, kind of fun, spooky Halloween decor rather than like creepy and scary because I do have very young kids. I went ahead and just separated this a little bit to spread it out, and then I honestly felt like it was just missing something. I guess I could have cut it out bigger, but you know what, we're just gonna go with it. So instead, I went on Creative Fabrica and I grabbed some more bat cut files and just uploaded that to Cricut Design Space. I wanted to do it on a couple of different colors, so I did use the same matte method for multiple different colors, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these out. I did use the same matte method, so this is where you cut out multiple colors on the exact same mat and you just kind of manipulate the colors yourself by placing them where you want around the mat and doing it accordingly on Cricut Design Space. Now I went ahead and weeded up my material, I applied it directly onto the coffin, and let me tell you, this was so tricky to film with these essentially salad tossing arms that I found at the Dollar Tree, but I just thought this was such a cute little idea to make, and there is our cute little Halloween sign ready to go. Next, I think I want to spray paint that skeleton. My arm, not my arm!